So friends, this is the COVID time. We all know that this is a COVID time. But COVID has not weakened our morals or our activities. So this is definitely a difficult situation. And difficult situation only gives you opportunity to grow. If you want to grow, it is a difficult situation. What can be the best activity at this point of time, according to me? The best activity can be to give confidence to a COVID patient at this point of time. When suppose we come to know that somebody has contracted COVID, what first question, if suppose I am there in somebody's place and I call up my relative, first question, कहाँ गए थे, क्यों घूमने गए थे? You know that this is the time. So we start questioning. We don't give solace to them. We don't give confidence to them. एक और एक चीज होता है, another thing, we start suggesting medicines. We are not doctors. That we are social workers. As social workers, we are social engineers too. So what is our responsibility is to share our experience if we have any. And to give them a confidence that yes, this is a phase. You will come out of it. You will bounce back. And that will create an atmosphere, not only to the patient, but to the entire family, that will help them and they will remember you for always. I was doing this even for last 5-6 months. Whenever I felt that somebody in my family or somebody to whom I know or known to me people, I always keep on doing this activity. And now, after having my own experience in, I believe with God's grace and all of your good wishes, I will be bouncing back in few more days. And then I will definitely take up this activity, and I will venture that to give confidence to the COVID patients particularly. And it is always said that first you take care of yourself. So this is the time I request all my fellow Lions, don't compromise on the COVID protocols.